A day in my life as a first-year college of BSA here at Cicely College. So I go to school at 9 a.m. in the morning because my first class is 9:30. So we're done at first subject and I go to the second subject, which is contemporary world. So I go in our room. So we find a vacant seat. Our third subject is done, so we go outside to have lunch. We go first in Calendaria, and the second is Pikachu to spend time with my friends or classmates. We here at Pikachu with my friends to buy foods. We back at school in 2 p.m. because our class in this afternoon is 2:30 p.m. So we're here at comfort room. We took mirror shot while waiting to my classmate in comfort room. So we back in our room. So here again to spend our vacant time. So we're back again at 4 p.m. to our next subject. So our last is done, so we'll go home now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.